Assalamu Alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you're fine, good, cool, and having chill. So guys, if you guys have not subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe this channel right now for getting my more tutorials, and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can easily visit my Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description, and I'm so active there. You guys can follow me on Instagram. And in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you do a beautiful style of Shemagh that I'm tying right now with using Agal. This is Agal and this is Shemagh. So how can you tie this beautiful Shemagh? How can you get into this beautiful look? Let's start this tutorial and watch this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have so, give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below. So Allah Hafiz till my next videos.